Itanong mo sa akin kung sinong aking mahal. Itanong mo sa
Yay!
Han, for your tired muscles and long days, your wife is here to take care of you. Thank you, Han, Mami Love, sa gift mo. Sakto to, magagamit ko to sa masasakit na katawan. I love you always.
aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman.
Kakilala kami ni Julie sa workplace namin sa Balisin. Chat ako, kamusta? Ayun, nag-reply. Ligaw, ayun. Hanggang sa naging kami na.
Very consistent siya. Kung ano siya nung nagparamdam siya ulit, hanggang ngayon ganun pa rin siya. Tapos very patient and very understanding. Tapos pagkasama ko siya, ano ako, Disney princess doon.
Ang pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking
Para kay Julie!
My mommy love, I hope you love this little gift. And this reminds me how lucky I am to have you in my life. I love you always, mommy love. From your knight in shining armor, Jera. Han, thank you for this. May magagamit na naman ako pag gala. Yun lang, thank you.
Han, Mami Love, this is our day, our special day, last day of our being magjowa. So, this is the the time ng ating pagpapakasal, yung magsasama na sa habang buhay hanggang sa pagtanda, ikaw ang kasama, bubuo ng pamilya, mga pangarap, yun. And I always love you. And I always be there for you. I love you.
Ikaw ang aking mahal. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Mahal, 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 mahal.
Stay lang natin na si Lord ang maging center ng relationship natin. And I promise you naman na mag-stay din ako kung ano ako nung nakilala mo. Yun lang. See you later.
Di tulad ng ulap na
Han, as I walked down the aisle today, so many memories came rushing back. The struggles I went through, the heartbreaks I survived, the lessons I learned over the years. Looking back now, I can truly say that it was the goodness and faithfulness of God that led me to you, Han. Our story is a beautiful reminder that God's plans are always far better and more perfect than our own.
sulong saglit lang ay maglalaho. Oh, oh, ikaw ay simo sa tuktok ng bundok. Ika'y kanlungan sa lahat ng gulo. Masukal man ang landas, di man tiyak ang wakas ay lalakbayin para lang samyuin ang simoy mo.
Today is our special day. The day we finally become husband and wife. I know that married life comes with big responsibilities, challenges, and sacrifices. But I promise that I will always do my best for you. I will work hard to give you and our future children a better life and a happy home.
Every challenge only made our love stronger and brought us closer to this beautiful new chapter together. But thank you for every effort, every sacrifice, and every mile you traveled just to spend time with me.
Sa tuktok ng bundok, ika'y kanlungan sa
for loving me, supporting me, and being my happiness and strength every day. You are my greatest blessing, my home, and the love of my life. I love you endlessly today, tomorrow, and forever.
Ang aking bituin. Ikaw ay simoy sa tuktok ng bundok.
I will always be here for you. I will always wait for you to come home. I vow to take care of you, support you, pray for you, and love you in every way I can. Thank you for becoming the answered prayer I never thought would finally come true. I love you always, Han.